Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be making you guys some breakfast with the help of my PlayDough breakfast time set. Here's what you need to get started. You need green, red, brown, yellow, blue, and white Play-Doh. And since I'm making waffles, eggs, and bacon with some fresh fruit, I need the waffle press. And I also need the egg press along with the bacon. Let's get started. I'm going to start off with my eggs and bacon. Eggs and bacon are done. Now onto my waffles. This is so much fun. This is my little Play-Doh breakfast. It looks delicious if I do say so myself, and it was super fun to make. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. Come back to see what I'm creating next time here on Happykids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.